Hello viewers, today I would like to share with you something which most often people ask me, and I'm sure most of the time you ask it to yourself. Let's say you're working on something and then you find out that already many people have worked on it, and then you think, should I work on it or not? Then you might be thinking that will I be able to add the value or not? My question in these kind of situation is that always work on that thing. Let's say you are sharing summary of some book, then you must be thinking, should I make the summary of the book? Already there are so many summaries. Then you can read the book and maybe you can add another perspective. And the other thing is that maybe people in your circle have not read that book before. So the most important thing is that after reading this book, after summarizing that book, you will learn how to summarize the books. Maybe your making summary will help you later on in your life. So whenever doing something, do not think that the other people already did it. Where will I stand? Someone have so many followers, someone have so many books, then why should I write a book about it? Your story matters. You are unique. Chances are you can say something which is not ever said before. And the best part is, all the best writers in the history are those who were rejected at that time. Let's say if somebody is studying about the universe, talking about the universe, he might talk about the universe 1 year ago, but there are some new updates. Then you can update yourself and share the new updates. So that's what I wanted to share today with you, that never ever get discouraged from the people. Improve yourself, provide the better version of everything, whatever you can do. And if you like the content on this channel, please let me know. If you are telling me that you're liking this content, it will help me to improve myself, improve the content, and together I'm sure we can achieve more. Bring your friends and family on our YouTube channel. Let's have a larger circle. Thank you so much.